Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You're probably wondering what I'm doing sitting in the back of the Range Rover today instead of the front. Well, today we're going to do a quick little tutorial on how to change out your rear HVAC climate control system. So here's the gross, disgusting buttons nobody wants to touch that I was telling you about. I also have a vent slat that's busted. So for me, it's going to make more sense to just replace the entire unit. But if you stick around until the end, I'm going to take this old unit, pull it apart so that you can see exactly what's required just to replace the controls themselves. If your base and the vents are all in good condition, you won't need to go as far as I'm going. But I will be actually swapping in this new unit right here with perfect vents, nice clean buttons. And to do this, you're going to need a plastic pry tool. You're going to need an extension, a T20 Torx bit, and an 8mm socket. Now, for the sake of time and efficiency, I've gone ahead and already started this. And I'm going to quickly show you what you need to do. So first, you're going to want to go up to the metal tabs on the armrest, and you're going to want to pry those up. Now, a little trick that I learned is once you get to that point and these are lifted in the rear, as you can see, I can get a full finger in there, but they don't want to come out in the front. So what you're going to want to do is actually lift up the front of the armrest, and then you'll see that they pull right out. So now in the top corners on the left and right hand sides, right here and right here, is where you're going to need your T20 Torx. All right, and you're just going to zip out the T20 Torx screws. Now there's nothing actually holding the unit faceplate to the base. So all you got to do is pull it off. Now when you pull this off, you're going to want to be careful because there is a cable in the back. All right, get this out of the way. This is the cable that just plugs into the back for your controls. Now, if you want to go a step further with this, we'd need to remove this plate as well. If all you're doing is removing the buttons, which would be this piece here, all right? If all you want to do is remove those, you're done. You can wait till the end. Now to remove this, this is where you would need your 8mm with the extension to pull these out right here and right here. So there we go, mission accomplished. We've replaced the rear climate control HVAC unit. Like I said, you need your T20 Torx, your 8mm socket with an extension. We pulled these off, completely replaced the face, which allowed us to gain the new vents, and we also replaced the base unit. These buttons, there's actually nothing in them. You'd think it's a lighter or something, especially since it's wired on the back side. But these are just dummy plugs, which is fine. Don't need people smoking darts in here anyway. But yeah, it's really not a difficult process. You'll need to be careful when you're pulling these out just because they have a little pin on the front end of them when you get to this side of it. But other than that, it's very simple, very straightforward. Everything works. Turn the fan, adjust the temps. We can crank on the seated heats for the rear. It's actually 32 degrees Celsius out, so I really don't need that as much as I need the AC right now. But all in all, I hope this encourages you or gives you the confidence to try and do it yourself. It's not that difficult. It does take a little time and a little fidgeting with things. Pulling the cables on the backside is very straightforward. If you ever disconnected a cable before, you'll be able to do it. The surprise was needing the T20 for these two bolts in the top. I didn't expect it to be a T20 bit, but if you have Torx in your house, it's not a big deal. So as promised, if you just want to switch out the buttons for the controls and your base is in good condition, you don't need to change it like I did, and your vents are in good condition, unlike these ones, which are busted. It's really simple. All you're going to need is a T20 on the back, all right? And there's literally 4 bolts. I've already gone ahead and taken them out, just to speed things up and make it easy for you. But you're going to find 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here, 1 here, and 1 here. As soon as you take out those 4 bolts, it's just going to pull right out. There's the control face. Simple as can be. From the other side, you just see the openings. So when you get your new control unit, all you got to do is pop it back in, flip it over, line up the holes, and there you go. Simply put in your screws here, here, there, and there. Tighten them up, you'll be all set. There'll be 1 cable to plug back in here. If all you did was take off this plate and not the entire back unit, there will only be 1 cable visible to you. So it'll be very simple and straightforward. Thanks for staying to the end of the video. I really appreciate your support. If you like it, please give me a like and thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.